Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I got this thing and it's called a fidget spinner. But look what it has done. So I'll show you in 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have it. So we have it, but I'm looking for where it is. Do you see this crack in the distance? Do you see that crack? Well, this thing's not supposed to fall out. And look what it spins. Doesn't spin that very well. So, when it has it, it spins very well. But I don't need that anymore. But I am keeping it. I'm just putting it to the side for my other one to go in this case. And I can put this one in too. Whoops. Do you see it in the background? So I got this one. It's a flame one. So it's for work, definitely class, and for home. Yeah. Fidget spinner. I'll take a little bit of a slow motion. Okay, and let's open it up. I just got it today at Splatter Paintball, and yeah. Oh, it works very well. Let's see if the caps can come off. Wait. The caps can. Oh, yeah. I like when the caps can come off. Look. It still works, but this don't work that well. But it still works without the caps either way. Let's see. Hey, Mom. It actually fits in my case.
What's that, bud?
Actually fits in my case. Look.
Oh, cool.
I was just talking to my mom on YouTube, and I can put another one on top, and I can fit 2 in there. So that's pretty awesome, YouTube.
Right on.
And my mom keeps on saying right on.
Right on.
I will actually post you on YouTube, and I'm making a vlog. Shh. Sorry about that. It's just my mom. She's beautiful, and don't talk to my mom like that. So, and if you're new, subscribe and like, and I want this video to get to 1 like. Just 1 like. If you go over 1 like, then I'll go check out your YouTube channel, and I will subscribe to your YouTube channel. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.